Good morning, boys. We'll continue our Geography Chapter 7, our country India. Here is, we'll talk about political and administrative division. You can see in this map, it's a political map of India. I told you about to learn this state and capitals. In this, you can see India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Delhi is the national capital. Rajasthan, you can see here, the Rajasthan is the largest state, and Goa is the smallest state in terms of area. Here you can see the north to south and east to west area. North to south Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. I told you in previous part the boundaries with Pakistan, China. Here you can see in this map Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal. These are the boundaries. And this is our island neighbor like Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Okay. Now come to the physical divisions. The Himalayas in the north are divided into three main parallel ranges. The three main parallel ranges are Great Himalayas or Himadri, Middle Himalaya or Himachal, and Shivalik. You can see in this map Great Himalayas and Shivalik. The northern India plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. The northern Indian plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. This is the north of the Himalayas, this is south of the Himalayas, the plains, okay, of the northern Indian. In the western part of India lies the Great Indian Desert. Here, Gujarat and Rajasthan, it's a Great Indian Desert, okay. The south of the north plains, the south of the northern plains lies on the peninsular plateau. Aravalli Hills is one of the oldest range of the world. Aravalli Hills. Okay, boys. The Western Ghats or Sahyadri borders the plateau in the west, and the Eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundary. To the west of Western Ghats, the east of Eastern Ghats lie in the coastal plains. The rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal. This is the Bay of Bengal. The Sundarban Delta is formed where the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. This is the Lakshadweep Island. Okay, you can see here Lakshadweep Island, which is located in the Arabian Sea. The Andaman and the Nicobar Island. Here, the Andaman and the Nicobar Island lie to the southeast of the Indian mainland. Here, Kaveri rivers, you can see this is the Coral Island, and this is the Tsunami Killer Waves. It's a painting by one artist. You know very well our country India is vast. It has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. In the north it is surrounded by the Himalayas. In the west there is the Arabian Sea. In the west there is the Arabian Sea. In the east the Bay of Bengal. In the south the Indian Ocean. Okay, so India is surrounded by three oceans, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. India has diverse landforms, the lofty mountains, the Great Indian Desert, the northern plains, the uneven plateau, and the coasts and islands. The climate of India also varies from region to region. We also find diversity in flora and fauna as well as language and culture. India is the most populous country of the world after China. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through it. And what should I say? India is, here is the sun rises 2 hours earlier in the east, and Arunachal Pradesh then in the west. That is Arunachal Pradesh, then in the west. That is Gujarat. India's 7 neighboring countries are Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Afghanistan. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Palk Strait. I already told you, India is divided into 28 states and 7 union territories. Delhi is the national capital. Rajasthan is the largest state. I'm just giving the glimpse. Rajasthan is the largest state, while Goa is the smallest state in the term of area. India has diverse physical features, mountains. India has a diverse physical features like mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts, and islands. Himalaya mountains are divided into 3 main parallel ranges: the Great Himalaya or Himadri, Middle Himalaya or Himachal, and the Shivalik. Here, to the south of the Himalaya lie the northern Indian plains. In the western part of India lies the Great Indian Desert with little vegetation. To the south of the northern plains lies in the Peninsula Plateau. It is triangular in shape. This is a region with numerous hill ranges and valleys. The Aravalli Hills, the Vindhyas, and the Satpuras are the important ranges. The Western Ghats border the plateau in the west, and the Eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundary. To the west of Western Ghats and the east of Eastern Ghats lie in the coastal plains. Lakshadweep Island are located in the Arabian Sea, and while Andaman and Nicobar Island group lie to the southeast of the Indian mainland in the Bay of Bengal. Okay boys, so it was the glimpse of the chapter, and now your chapter is finished. We will start. I will give you this some exercises for your homework, okay, for home assignment, and in next class I will give you the notes for this. Till then, bye bye.